Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about generic collections in Dart programming. So guys, Dart is a optionally typed language. So we have seen that we can use the where keyword or the specific data type can also be used. So guys, it is optionally typed language and it can take the data type automatically. So in collections in Dart are heterogeneous by default. So what is the meaning of heterogeneous? This means that it can take different data types as well. So collections such as list, maps, sets and queues can take different data types as the elements. In other words, a single Dart collection can host values of various types. However, a Dart collection can be made to hold homogeneous values as well. So guys, let's say if we just want the list of integer values, so we can have that type of a Dart collection that is just having the list of integers. So this is called the homogeneous values because it is of a single data type. So the concept of generics can be used to achieve the same. Now the use of generics enforces a restriction on the data type of the values that can be contained by the collection. So whatever elements that are present in the collection, when we use this generics, it restricts to that particular data type itself and no other data types can be included in that particular collection. So such collections are termed as type safe collections. So in case we want to do some manipulations in the list of integers, we can easily do that. But let's say if we have the list without the homogeneous values, that is a combination of integers and strings, then in that case we cannot do all the arithmetic operations in all the elements. So in such cases we have to have the homogeneous collections which can be achieved with the help of generics. And guys, the type safety is a programming feature which ensures that a memory block can only contain data of a specific data type. So guys, let us understand this with the help of example. As you can see in this format, we have the list class and then followed by this open angle bracket, and then inside this we have a string. So guys, this particular thing, that is open and close angle brackets, we can define the data type that we want in this particular collection, that is list, and then we have the variable name followed by new list and then again the data type in these angled brackets followed by open and close brackets. And guys, we can then add different elements over here and then we can iterate through the list. So let us understand this with the help of example. So let's say we have a list over here. I'll put the list and then list name as list1. And guys, first we will see the heterogeneous behavior. So inside this list we have one integer and then we have, let's say, a string, that is programming for beginners, and then semicolon. Let us try printing this. So we are going to use the for loop followed by variable item in list1, and then we will print this item, print item semicolon. So what we are going to do over here is we are just defining a list, that is list1. We have one integer and we have the string, that is programming for beginners, and I am just printing over here with the help of this variable item using this in keyword and then the name of the collection, that is list1. So in this for loop all the elements will be iterated and one at a time these elements will be printed with the help of this item variable. So I'll save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, this is a heterogeneous list, that is the first element was an integer over here, the second element is a string, that is programming for beginners. Now guys, let us say I only want all the integers to be present in the list. So what can be done is over here, after this list class name, I can use the open and close angled brackets, and inside this we can provide int data type. And then let's try saving this and let's try running this code where we have provided the int data type as generics over here, but we are having different elements, that is one is integer, other one is string. So let us see what errors we get. So as you can see, error, a value of type string can't be assigned to a variable of type int. So guys, this generics has helped us in order to have only those elements which are integers in this list. So I'll just have to remove this string now and provide another integer. So let's say 2 and then let's say another element we can add. So let's say 3. I'll save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, and in this way we can easily use the generics and mention the data types in this particular open and close angled brackets. Let's say if we want to provide the string, so I'll put string over here instead of int. I'll save this file and try running this code with the integer values. So as you can see, a value of type int can't be assigned to a variable of type string. So we have to provide only strings over here. So all the elements must be strings. So let's say we have one string as programming, the next string as for, and the next string as beginners. So programming, for, and beginners. We have 3 elements. Let's save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, all the strings got printed, that is programming, for, and beginners, using this for loop. And guys, in this way we can easily use these generics in other collections as well, including sets and maps as well. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is exceptions in Dart programming. So stay tuned.